Hi guys, how are you all? Good morning. Today, in continuation of our previous discussions, we will analyze the character of one more very important figure in Mahabharata. Her name was Gandhari. She was the queen of Hastinapur, the wife of Dhritarashtra and the mother of Duryodhana, Dushasana and their brothers. Gandhari was a very good princess, very lovely queen, and a very pious woman. Gandhari was an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati in all their forms, and she was known to be a very respected, and honorable lady. However, it seems that Gandhari had a masochistic tendency in her, as a result of which, when she got married to the blind Dhritarashtra, she tied her own eyes to be a loyal wife to Dhritarashtra, and so both husband and wife lost their eyesight. But this devotion and this humble attitude earned her a boon that when, after years of devotion and worship of the Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, if she opens both her eyes once and those eyes are fixed as a gaze on somebody, that person will become like an iron piece or as solid as a rock. It's called Vajram in Mahabharata, in Sanskrit in India. So she fixed her only gaze at Duryodhana to make him strong enough to fight the Kurukshetra war. Gandhari belonged to the Kaurava clan and was on the Duryodhana, Dushasana and Dhritarashtra side. Yet, as a person, she was not fond of their attitude or their greed or their avariciousness or cruelty or ruthlessness and their love for war. At the same time, she was very unhappy with her own brother Shakuni, who she realized was bent upon wreaking vengeance on Hastinapur, Dushasana, Duryodhana, Dhritarashtra, etc. Now, because of the war, Gandhari lost not only the kingdom but also her own 100 sons. This pained her endlessly. She suspected that the Kauravas lost the war because of the machinations of Lord Krishna. Angry at this, she cursed Lord Krishna that just because she was standing alone after losing not only her children but the whole of Hastinapur, similarly, Lord Krishna will lose his own community of Yadavas when they fight with each other and kill each other. This curse worked, and all the Yadav princes of Dwarka killed each other after a drunken brawl. Gandhari, though she did not participate in the Kurukshetra war, she is passively instrumental in the Kurukshetra war. Had she not married Dhritarashtra, Shakuni would not have come into the lives of the people of Hastinapur, Kauravas, and Pandavas. Because of his cunning and because of his anger at Bhishma for having wedded his beautiful sister to a blind guy like Dhritarashtra, Shakuni would not have wreaked complete vengeance on Hastinapur, Dhritarashtra, and Lord Bhishma. Please listen to this talk of me, of my analysis of the character of Gandhari, form your own opinions and comment about it all so that this analysis help us all in future. Thank you.